So Ed, you've got a brand new book out. Easy read, by the way.
Thank you.
I love this. A lot of basics from, well, it's that low-hanging fruit that you talk about so much.
Right.
That you can do, up to something a little more elaborate.
Yeah, you want to start with the cheap and easy stuff. That's what I did in 1970. I was a broke, struggling actor in 1970. I didn't have a lot of money to do expensive solar panels and stuff like that. It took me 20 years, 2 decades to be able to afford stuff like solar electric panels. But I started with the cheap and easy stuff I could first, and that's what this book is about, starting small and building.
But I understand that you've got something so new, we're talking prototype.
I do. I'm always trying to try new things. I figured I'm done. I got the solar this and the, energy efficient that. What more could I do? I didn't have a Graywater system, so I have a state-of-the-art Graywater system that I'd like to show you.
Let me see it.
Come on over here. You'll see on the way a tank right there,
okay,
which I'll show you in a moment where that water goes to and how it gets there. But it starts, first of all, with great filtration. You take water from the shower, from the bathtub, the laundry, and even the bathroom sink. That's called Graywater. And that gray water you can just put out in the lawn. Some people do that and use it in that way, but it's kind of soapy water. It doesn't look so good on your lawn. So you want to filter it a little bit, or in our case, you want to filter it a lot. So we take it through these filters, Alan, a great filtration system, 600 micron filter, another 600 micron filter, 200 micron filter, and then we go to activated charcoal and finally coal. All that filtration really takes it to the point where it's really recycle water, like a residential recycle water system, what they call purple pipe water,
right,
in a municipal recycle water system. It also goes through a UV filter that kills all the bacteria. So by the time you get down to that tank through all this filtration, it is water that has no odor, has no turbidity. It looks like really clear water. The sad thing is it's probably cleaner water than 95% of the world's population drinks. Mm-hmm. So it's a great system, and I use it not just on my, well, I don't have a lawn,
right,
but not just on my ornamentals, let's say, some of these drought-tolerant plants I put in 1988, but I also use it on my corn, my tomatoes, my fruit trees, all those food crops. You got to be careful with normal gray water because it has bacteria in it, Alan. You don't want to, you don't want to do things that are unsafe for health. So this water is so well polished, by the time I'm done, you can use it on food crops as well.
So many wonderful ideas, and so many that you can actually find in this book. You've got one more job, though.
What's that?
You've got to autograph this one for me.
Happily. I thought you'd never ask.